Make I wait for some of una. I tell una say one of my phone go off just now. My Samsung don't off. I tell they do so switch to my iPhone. Now I want to finish on. So I just wait me some of them. Come online. Yes. Because I have over 600 to 700 viewers just now. But the thing don't reduce now. So I go wait. May they come online. And people don't they come now. Small. So okay. So maybe the advice why I try advise people. Maybe people don't come chop my mouth say you're too big for this. I'm not angry. They see the verse. And I say na verse and the verse for you. It's a normal topic. Person need to advise some men. I talk some things for about girls. All those girls where they are brought where they throw away picking. I talk about them. You understand? So I talk about men. When you talk, say don't sleep with 2 men, never sleep with 2 men. So I see nothing wrong here. I to be for this. Hey, me, I was big for. I don't fit to talk. Person to talk. Person to talk. I don't start for now. Yeah, you're too big for this. I beg, I'm not big. You not leave me. Una they advise those idiots men, boys, even men. They talk am. I mean, where any fools. I just pray my that kind of person again. I that kind of person. They advise them, you know, they those kind of thing. May you not see such thing for your life. You will be even married to myself. Don't see that kind of thing. No. When one small boy go use you try, go talk and say don't sleep with you. Just drive you come up for husbands. Don't promise not say anything bad though. This world is so cruel. I'm telling you, anything can just happen. And they before waiting. One year phone was subscribe me. Telling them this thing is not good. They should stop it. They should deviate from it. You sleep with 2 men. What is your fucking game? You don't sleep with 2 men, then you go to the director say you don't sleep with 2 men. And that one I think big pass. I'm example of yes, I talk because it don't see happen to me years ago. I think I was 20 something. Years ago. I go say that for Facebook now. All this one where sleep with 2 men, don't say just sleep with 2 men. Do you know how it dey pain for body? May you not say that kind of thing for body, oh. Does it beat you put? You don't say what person say talk, go they beat you put. You go they beat you put. I never sleep with you. You dey mad, I shower. I don't know okay well. Me don't egbe. Oh well, I don't to be part of that kind of thing. I never sleep with you. You will be a I don't fuck you. Do you talk a fuck? That's why I hate them with passion. I don't fuck you. I say they beat you put. Don't promise that bad thing. No, your husband will just drive it for free. Mark my ever. I mean, when in here, pay when no. Don't be one idiot. We saying a social what here. Don't mention name. Where they talk say sleep with one married woman. They talk for social media. Imawe, ina work yeke. We want to tell that one say may rest. Now the person be that one. We want to that one say may rest now. I dey advise men say make they know they talk to talk we never fuck. Woman we never sleep with. No they claim so you don't sleep with her. Don't they be part this kind of talk? Oh, they need to talk sense to some guys' heads. But they do one. They do one. So don't they big person. Not tell me say big for waiting. That man wait. Sleep with that married woman. I don't fuck you. That's why your toto they smell. Your water they come out for your toto. Married man for that matter. No, check him now. You don't see that one. Married man, I told that kind of thing. Me come and the advice I say, man, do that kind of thing. Say, now sin. And it bad. To the life of person head. To damage person image. Waiting be the man again. Waiting be the boy again. So now you can make an example. Say if you do it to some women, to some girls, they can go extreme lengths for you. So I don't see anything wrong at the talk. Or should I be advising them? Maybe they talk am. Maybe they use you shine. Anyone use me shine, I go use you shine. Not be joke. This kind of thing be this one. So from there, I go finish the story. I go finish her. Story sweet me now, I know. Don't fit stand up. So the next thing now they come do everything for the boy. The boy come regain himself for night. From there, for the take for hospital. They take. When the hospital, when they regain himself small. The guy will come they talk to me that time. Come go they look for me. Come they look for me, come they rush. Princess, and what's I know? A boy na get what away. Say everywhere you go say they talk and say one gay spirit. The face, they run about the face on me. You are can't the person. Say now the boy they get temptation. From the see for house where the boy and you know was not that way because of that game matter. Mr. Edosoma, they do one. You know, say some guys or even men they do one. Yes, it's a complete stupidity. Yes, they do life for their heads. I lie for your head. Some girls they here for where they watch me now. No, tell me say person never lie for that kind thing. Who not my own aware. So that banana me Danny. Mr. Nedu, I'm fine. I know something the year Bini, but don't manage anything the year. Understand? So they talk for pride. I don't understand. Why some stupid men? You don't fair friend the girl finish. Not there again. Maybe you get called a friend of that person you manage. Because this was a small, you can't manage only person. What be your own? It can't be your own. You can't friend the enemy. And so what? And so your wife where you marry, not be person fair friend, huh? Are you disrespecting your wife? Let make some of our wife. Let's cheating one kid. Some of now they look me, not don't marry, not they cheat. Dinara, you that girl where they look me, that woman, you who go get here, you they do one. They sleep around. All those men where they lie for that girl now say, bros, I don't first sleep with that girl. You don't marry, and you get children, the girl they fall on that whenever I will marry now, the guy don't say marry, the guy never say marry. Maybe you don't first sleep with the girl, you don't first friend the girl. Later you come marry, leave the girl. The girl come the friend another guy where you know. Probably the guy where the friend and never marry, or maybe don't say marry. I don't care. Some of them the friend married woman. You will not friend that for how many years of whatsoever time. You go tell and say, he can't learn. Oh my goodness. Come on, some men are mature. Who can't learn? Go do and say, na big deal to follow woman. You understand? Go do and say, na big to sleep with woman, to friend woman. Don't they friend woman before? Don't be what God create us for. Don't be they create us for now before. When you I say way. I don't understand. I don't understand you now. They look at one kind of big deal, and so which food did they eat? Because it can't give you the food, the thing one eat. It can't give you, may you give her the food. You can't get opportunity to give her the food. You can't spoil the girl they go. Muna try me. I swear. I go drop by before now. Muna try me. Nonsense. I don't first sleep with her. The idiot boy now who can't leave the girl. You know, as the brother say, the woman who you marry, now you this virgin now. Excuse me. So you can't get mind. Spoil am say you don't, you know say you get wife. When you know say the wife when you marry not be virgin. When you this idiot who know say that your wife they sleep around. I dey laugh una. Some of una who not trust una wife. Some of una wife na flirt. Una think am say I dey lie. Wawa ababo who 1 year. If some of una not catch una wife. Wella. Not be smart, not be joke. Then you get my spoil another girl future. Make she not marry. Maybe that boy want marry her now. What it be your game if person not marry her? You get picking, oh. You get picking, and I'll cost that thing. Any man for this world, for Edo States, where they spoil another girl head for another man. Ogun Isango, I go kill that person. Or we ain't what? This is not want stop batting. This is not want stop batting. Now batting go they follow now. Who are fiangu? Ogun gagbuwa. I swear to God. Una no go die without death. Una cause pains for guests body. Now you don't see guests now. Now the time I say they do pien. They cause her. Most times so. Don't stop following lousy guys, lousy men. They say men follow married men, not the year word. So married men, they lousy. Not the year word. These two people they tell us say I don't have friend, you can't leave the girl. You can't leave the girl. Wait till be your game, you damn man. I don't first sleep with her. Some loose girl go lose. You go lose. Sleep with one. If you stay one place, they know they can follow you. Not be by that one. Also, if you don't follow one relationship, that's not work again. Really serious relationship not work again. You're not gonna deal again. If you can't get another one, maybe come and can be a friend, but you're not say be friend. Maybe small world, this beginning or this life, a small world. You can eventually know her, or you don't see you, or maybe our money where you are. That cause go follows you. You get picking. If you not get picking, if you not get picking, you no go get again. If you get daughter, they will do your daughter, and you no go die away. You just spoil person when they want be marrying where they don't raise grants. Then the girl come they cry. My brother. When I'm careful, that makes some of them they get problem. I don't know where the problem for the come from. I'm saying I'm ordinary. So men, that's also a church for the see them, they see for church. They use their hand course. Yes. Church for the see, or prophetic church. Or their leg they follow on. What if they don't use their they take course? 9 many pass. I see they tell owner. I don't sleep with that girl. Wait till be your game. So now so we can't see him. That guy because he toast me. Come. Since ever see me, no say after my mind is strong. This don't pass how many years. That guy friends where they toast me that guy friends. They just say, I beg you, bros, not true. This my friend said, you believe this guy, you like this guy says, you like this Molly. Don't do one. Till now, I'm a lady now. Till now. Me and them know they talk. They don't big. I don't big also. I just see them. They throw away. Because they believe that boy. Till now. But it don't pass. You understand? So some the guy come to tell me, say, him believe me, temptation, see where they can't go, this can't even they rough him. Say even that boy, things was so rough for him and the temptation was just too much. He get accident from year to year. No teeth. They spend hell for that hospital. That is stupid mama. Can't they look for me? Can't they cry? Oh, 20. Can't stupid mama can't see the boy and my brother. Oh, 20. When they tell your pikin may come answer that. Boo boo, what you talk? You say my response to you. You're not here to. I don't know what you talk. I try everything just now. I better write You understand? You know, talk where you say nothing they happen, because nothing they happen. Something don't happen now. They spend hair for that hospital. Where? When the boy come out for hospital, you see, it can't be like this stick. It can't be like this tiny stick. Till now, I go mind go my boy any. Don't be joke. I go mind go my. So that be the same advice I want advice some of you. Now way they never sleep with ma because they sleep with ma. Don't are careful. That thing they very bad. It's bad. You don't need to do that. People, don't spoil people marriage. Don't spoil people home. Those married men, let me tell you something. Where they cause problem for side chick or whatsoever. Maybe if you don't toss woman finish or get finish, you call the friend you now. When I don't marry, eventually girl come they call her side chick, okay. Una when they create side chick, all those married men when they create side chick, now they cause problem for the useless wife now. Come go they fight side chick. Not be side chick, toss your husband though. You say everywhere goes so. I say of your but everywhere goes so. I don't understand that. I say everywhere goes so. Please rest and well now, please. Yeah. So when I call the cause problem, I call put side chick for head. So they wife will come know. Call the cause problem. The wife will come go the fight side chick. I say, I don't know. My husband will they follow side chick. I will come on for us. Go the fight side chick. Is what? What happen to the man of the fight? Go the fight side chick. Now useless women. Now side chick. Toss your husband. Now side chick toss your husband. Be na your husband toss your toss woman for her side. So these women are not too dirty. So when they dress well, now they use good cream, armpits go they smell. They bath well. Seriously, they bath well. Not even the less sweat. The entire. I said, don't sweat so well. So stand or go on, Jenna. No problem. Maybe I'll say when I'll give me about 2 minutes. I'll go on to put for everything. It'll take me time just now. Your wait. I'll go down because me and the feet it. The conversation that they say. I hope people are not trying to offend you, Sha. They mad, my sister. Boo boo, my colleague. They want to offend me. They don't know person that they offend. And they fear. Suppose know me now. That just why they just about one for our colleague. Eh? Don't worry. I'll call you put. I know they fear nyash fuck to us now they talk and be I fear to fuck nyash. I don't fear anybody. I they do film, no say miss, I don't know myself. Everybody will get your own calling. My own calling is join this kind of thing. Yes, I'm a very straightforward person. And also some men are wicked. So that be the thing. Then when I call it cause problem for our wife, maybe when our wife go the fight side chick. If side chick go pour the woman acid, just another wife they pour side chick acid. Sometimes side chick they pour, I say crazy song. We go use something tear our face. Go they fight. You go they fight. They not rich. I call they fear. They feed me. Maybe they feed me safe. Now what I put for it? When I say let me go tire. Can't see. That person go they spoil a colleague name. What they do that rubbish? Person they do thing not miss. I don't know myself. I know myself. Because they thought say, you know, want me the boyfriend person for the industry. Who be the boy? Now Dangote son, they mad. This is actually sponsor everybody's boy. She never see me to man. She the idiot colleague. Don't ever see me. You see me with my man like that. You see me with one. You thought say no one. They go. Not many girls where the boy tell me say him be they like. Say this are stupid, foolish colleague. Could they spoil? They know they agree say no one my friend. And this stupid girl, they friend the person that brother. I don't know whether you want to say friend now. I say well, nonsense. We don't go to one thing. And the princess I can't so me an lelu man. Where can I go? Walk Borway. Gonna pray to you. Yeah, walk Borway. I'm not an entity. At least. Oh, we are not having at least. If before you see point say, this girl don't do this one, this girl don't do this one. The people where you see points, they set me. Yes. If not smally, bass smally, they set me. Thing be that one. If that's the thing they come for grand, now they come for grand. For una beer part for our journal, now they call my name. And they mad. They say it say no agree. Nyayakwe, nye body yaewa. Can you imagine where some people they boast with a book? I the shame. They boast. People when they boast with the not the person they consult, not the person they work on the thing. Not the person they work on the thing. So that video will go viral. We married to my colleague. 5 side chick. For example, say the girl dressed well just now. And the girl head no tears. They constantly they fight. It's here the married woman clothes. Or they take that clothes. Not be breast now, see rich. I'm ogbe no ko. Oja ama. Boo boo Joseph. Nobody provoke me. I they advise those stupid men. When they sleep with woman, when never sleep with woman, when they talk, they go say they don't sleep with woman. That's in a bad thing. And those who don't sleep with woman, we will go tell your new relationship like, a call be a Kenya, and maybe you want marry you, go spoil your marriage. That they talk to. And those who when they take Viagra, drugs to boost their libido because they want to impress woman for bed, at the end of it they'll die for inside pussy. Now those people I can't talk to today. Those who when they do abortion, when they'll born finish, they'll go through a picking. Now those women I talk to. So now they talk to. Then I always say the slave, the chick now come carry one thing for the supermarket now. They shoot the woman. The woman feel die for nothing because of man. Because of man. You don't know the strength with that girl get now. That crazy girl, akawa ban one, akawa kini newu, would if na bini woman just like he begin to beat the woman. So that's all they fight for prick. Useless man, if you don't leave the wife, or some man with their head no dears. As you don't fight, come all your load go there outside. Yeah, I'll suffer with the man. Some of them not suffer with any man. We suffer, you suffer. Some of you now, not any man. Probably it was moderate. Maybe some people was able to afford their ass rent. You see, they get one kind small salary. You don't suffer with her. If you know who there with her that period, or that woman sit there with her. Some of them say, I suffer because you just stay there for how many years? Me say you just suffer with her. You know what suffer with her? I suffered with him. I suffer with her. Oh, I suffer with her. If you ask her now, if you don't suffer anything, no. Before you meet the man, was the man not paying his ass rent? Maybe 1 year, 1 year, no coffee pay ass rent. You can't even man is give her money. You don't suffer with her. Hey. Now they pay the man ass rent. You don't pay ass rent years ago. You suffer with the man. With or without you, each of you now way I say that the woman, because when you not get that she there with you. Now so God they create us. If you call too much, that's all. So say I suffer with you, I suffer with you. So don't suffer anything. You are already destined to make it in future. I suffer with, I suffer. Do you what you suffer? That thing they inch my ear. So I just suppose they take there. Say I suffer with the man. I suffer with the man. I suffer with the man. Or you can't love the man, not can't like each other. You can't they go they do runs come for him. Maybe all this kind of thing. Because you like you want me to build with her. Now I make you do one. If not be evil that Mr. So and so you see there with if you date on that man, you obviously bear with her. That's what like be. That's what God take creators. No, use that word say I suffer with her, I suffer with her. Waiting they happen. Waiting they happen. I use God beg una. I don't like that word. Yeah. I get somebody now. It's not that rich now. You don't meet one girl now. They find the girl, not that rich. For the girl mind now, they suffer with her. Yeah. As okay, already made the Benediction, now he doesn't be the one before. You know, want to suffer somewhere. I suffer with her, suffer with her. Stupid. If you don't want me to suffer with man, you know they see some prince where they already make them, but their papa don't make them. Why not shaking as pass? Maybe they look for that car already made. Why beg any? Why beg any? And then I suffer with him. We suffer. Probably I say my mom come and say suffer with my papa. You can't try it. Because it was already made. Wait, I suffer with her. I suffer with her. I suffer with her. Suffer with her. So you know the shame. You know the shame. You the one when you marry. Suffer one for kill and face. And that kind of if marry. We suffer one key. So nobody why me down. I suffer with her. I suffer with her. Women, want to stop that rubbish. Oh, want to stop that rubbish. Yeah, what time there now? You know, like say, now they can't suffer pass for this world. Oh, well, let's suffer again. The man there, yo, epa, shut up. Normally, you are not brought with a silver spoon. You that idiot man, they say, oh, Kanena, it is suffer. Oh, go on, go why use that word? Eh? You see, you are not brought with a silver spoon. You are already a poor man already that time. That not me say you can't make it. If that woman sit there, that one go see come. You know, many one don't leave you when you don't get. So go see stay. Oh wait, what's here? Let me suffer. Why not they suffer? I'm even marry a rock here. God don't do one for us. Say now go they get that stress. Now inside they will come. She not see me friend. Why she not go friend better big man? Big men don't exist. Who should go friend you? Because I'm here. Isha. Oh, mommy, that make it see you on our room. That's how I lie. That's how God create us. I know they lie. Men are dumb for that thing. So far, now the opportunity she don't come with you. If you not friend you, jump on that person. We not see get. Which you see they manage with. And manage because I make no here. They get it come from a good home. You also not come from a good home. So now just there. Like I go nowhere. That be the thing. Now what they do. We don't the mind follow now. I go nowhere. Now they do. So what they suffer with you now? You come from if you came from a good home, a rich home, your papa already built up. Okay, all those men, their papa don't build them up now. They already build them up. Don't be women they marry. Don't they marry? Wait, they already build them up now. Where money day. So if you know children or bad children on them, they already built up. They don't marry because they already build them. They don't marry. They don't marry. So if you're not putting the silver spoon, don't get and say you were poor. Your parents were not rich. So definitely you will make yourself, no, you know that be. As they process like that kind of thing, you must get woman will come with you. The woman will cause me to not see get. Now you cause me to now, guys, suffer they come. When why just go to say, I be message Sharon. Oh, you say, I suffer with that man, We suffer. The man very rich before. Was he not a poor man? You were also a poor girl. Your papa, your mama not see gets. Yes. Just imagine a girl that came for a rich home where papa and mama they build them up. Mother like that can go jam boy where not get money. That girl if it in go suffer with the boy. They already get. If the girl man is jump that kind of boy we never get at all. Because in the background of the person, papa or the mama, to build the boy up with her. That's what I think be. I don't want to hear that word. Oh, what's the lele? Where some people go do drugs for our brother and the wife go do drugs. What's the lele? No. Because you not get now the natural life they be. Era visual man almighty bag away. Or we are kere as the girl see come for kind of poor one so they not say design. Then because they meet you, till they jam you, then it wants it. We must start life with you now. You know, guy be Whether we meet you now very low, we like you now. We must start life with you now. That's what God a creator. The girl who say you suffer with you. If you see big man picking that, oh Joe, oh mommy, oh that way I died here. What do you want to tell me? Now they tell you, what do you think you are? I suffer with him. Shut up. You suffer with him. Even look at the girl she's putting on. She look like someone that is suffering. I suffered with him. Don't be your guy. Don't be person you want to die with. You know, we're not plant life together. You know, I gotta do drugs. I gotta do some kind of games. Some kind of play. Because ugwene. You want to be there. Ugwene. Now they do things together. Build them together. Don't me say you suffer with her. If you never did, the other person go see come do one with her. How will you suffer with her? Suffer with her. Umami will be done go to the your friend there. Umami. Oh, yeah, it was so wild time there now. Oh, you manage gather some kind small money. The boy not get. You can't bring the money. Come on, now we have a business. I suffer with her. If man on the okay, what's on life now? Men when they buy on a car, they be mumu. We go pay on a house rent. They be mumu. They be mumu now. They be mumu. I need iPhone. On my phone, 500,000. Just phone. Material to me always stand. You manage give man 500,000 naira with business. We buy go, we buy travel. Oh, he was suffer le 500,000 we want money. All the things we made they buy for us for free. It's everywhere yo. It's the motor no. Phone Vanna, iPhone 8 plus. Oh, they want do me boy guy. Me never friend. Do me. Either phone, he say me I do talk back. If you man, that time they got a struggle. Oh, we suffer with our way. I get no money. No, 200,000 there. Oh, what bobo I don't know. I did shame say I be gay. And that kind of money some boys will just give woman. Oh, then they gave a dump. Oh, I suffer. Oh yeah, I suffered with him. We suffer. Why you say rich men go follow? Because you don't see. And the one you face off is just if you get future small. You that stupid man, if you say you suffer with you, you get future. If your papa promise you must end up poor, you get future, you must make another guy be. Come on now. That's why with the man, good woman go day. If you just see some guy good man, your life will see better. Yes, I agree with you. Why go better? Because if you listen to your wife, if you choose not to listen to your wife, your life not go see better. Maybe the woman reason away. Only this money just enter as well. You enter your we get a motor, get a one. Maybe you know the thing go that side. Everybody must not straight. Maybe you want woman wait people for us. Yes, it's straight. If they talk to you, see the answer. For example, say the woman talk to you, not come here or call the money, not to go they buy land. For example, you go there, your egg take you go chop pan. That's it. So far, have your way, and that money you go chop pan. Don't worry. Now that's a struggle. Everybody will see there. Because you just listen to them, because you were just so good, you listen to the woman. Let me say, every baby said, my man is a good. You see, say future there. Make you know over. Guess you know the progress. That woman with the you all say we are here. Cha, what say we are here? Oh wait, you understand? They say I suffer. Me my mama talk and say suffer with my papa. She know if it try. You know if it try. You understand? I suffer. They suffer. You only meet a poor guy who will suffer. Let me okay, manage you meet a rich boy now. Or person that came from a rich home. Or back or balance. We are take money. We big men. They know they marry because they're rich. Don't say marry rich person because of nobody they go they marry rich person because una problem too much. Una wake up for poor home. Una problem too much. Now I'm going to say I suffer with him. Una problem too much. No, if you come they do and say some big men children, now they want friends poor men. Oh what to agbe. I suffer with him. Maybe doctor you know. I suffer with him. When he doesn't have anything, maybe they drive Camry that time. He rent flats. Remember saying daughter as he drive Camry in future, you know guy will be that boy must change that car. He rent in future that boy must buy land build them. If you never day life you go fit do one. The reason why I say they life maybe if they listen to you now all man they listen to a person maybe you listen to you because they like you listen to you only your salary more they do like this I do a plan I do damn your way damn your way oh why I let friend marry why they bowa and because you listen to you let me say I suffer with it because they listen to you me shut up your mouth. Because they listen to you. You don't consider that you don't become responsible man, you don't marry. Maybe do a reason and when do a yoga. Maybe you don't bear by or do a if friends don't better pass that may see better pass that a friend. So if you call the thoughts around, we don't want to listen to you. Go to listen to you. They fuck off. Make that woman if you say she don't leave you. Far with him. I suffer. No woman. Now shut up your mouth. All these men they must still make up for front. For must for build themselves. They must still build themselves. I mean, the boys want men want suffer. They want dead that poverty. Okay, all those when they call chairman of this one, so never marry, where they chop land, the land where they say they chop, they club, they carry women. They don't get wife for us. They listen to some of them, they listen. Where at the end of it, some of them don't get land, some of them don't get us, they don't get wife. Because now they listen. So shut up your mind, that woman. I suffer with him. They don't suffer. We are guy. You know they cause problem. They cause problem at the end of it now. When our wife will go the fight side chick. This women married me, take them easy. Now the men they cause problem, they come house. If man not toast the woman, he not go follow. Guess now they hide the shook. Or toast the oga lele. Or the 200, 300,000 oga lele. We shouldn't deceive ourselves. You will come up for there now. You leave your husband. Go to look for the girl. Don't they waste your time. True to God. Be prayerful. There's nothing we pray enough you do. It will pay me if you don't believe in prayer. Midnight prayer, work that. Marriage where God don't assign and do marriage, not believing together when they do. Some of so by the time they find out now, oh my go you woman again, okoni. You're just surprised now. That one way, what do you think you are? That viral video. What do you think you are? What surprised about? Oh my go young. Some of them they stay for husband as now whatsoever. Husband now they never put the money for their head. They've been there for 20 years. I'm go young. I'll tell my husband. I do find that Siba. So now prayer you don't need. Now night, midnight. Now the fuck up, sha. I saw you. Unless I know me my husband, sha. And the fuck up. I couldn't that vie. It's do you bobo because your husband they follow woman. You not follow. You don't forget the relationship where you doing no way enough. You did that relationship. If you relationship not for put that year, that time, the boy they do you any year. You see a friend that one, call a friend this one. At the end of it, and this one call it and marry you. I wanna leave alcohol. Umia. I got little when me no figure hypertension. Or me no say my must follow. Or make you no let me see her. You no let me see her. Finish. If I see her. You know me now. I don't get that for side chick. I don't get that for side chick. If you want me side chick, spoil your own, go spoil your own. And the man they cause problem to his. Can't you pray? Pay me someone and go the work out into doctor. Solution there. Truth. If God release sign that your marriage, you don't have a choice. Say sign your marriage. Not be doing on the sleep with each other for 20 years. And my mother you sign your marriage. One lie. Midnight prayer. You walk like fire. A ban one. Oh God. Sometimes you don't judge people by appearance. So don't judge people by. If you see why for they pray, you don't believe I mean they talk like this. You know believer. When you go naked, I do married. I'm going on my own. Not my own, Baba. It's again, yeah. Or let's say, na me want make again. You go naked. I beg, those messages somebody send me. Don't distract me, please. Please, don't distract me. Me don't tell you say my birthday is March 30th. You dey support my movement already. You know yourself. You dey support my movement. If you say I will ask me support my movement, I'm not going to even ask you. You are telling me your own is on the 5th. You were there, America. You dey work. You are a big man in America. What see me small girl where they Benin go work for do for you. Don't tell me your birthday is on the 5th. I saw the message now. You're telling me your birthday is on. What do you want me I can do for you? I just go beg you. You that man that sent me that message just on your birthday is on the 5th. I just go beg you. My own is on the 30th. You are rich. You have money. Please send me something to support my ministry for March 30th. Don't tell me your own is on the 5th. You senior me. I just gonna beg you. You not there, I not get. Me you send me money. So I'm tired. Big man. Because I mean, you have no. I mean, you have no. I want my woman. You know, in the line. My bed is on the 5th. So it's on the 1st. You are telling me 4 days to do America. What do you want me? What do you want me to do? Make sure you give from here to America. You will do America. In my America there. In my airplane there. What am I? It trek. What am I? In my not you. Name make na no ime. E pala wo ime give me way. Don't use that skill for me. I beg sir. My last 30 yet. You know I did do one before. Please support me. Those way they watch me now. I don't remind me now. I beg you now. March 30th na my birthday. Una know the way they do one. I beg. Muna support me. Inbox me if you love me. If you want to support me. Biko. Make I visit the orphanage home, the less privileged. Just do as we did do one before. We'll see their prayer. You understand me? Make them smile. Why they almost say do that one? Maybe if I feel like people to support. That one I do one once in a year. I just put up for the date of that one of my birthday. Every other month, there's no day I don't visit them or I don't do things either for church or orphanage or hospital. But all those ones, they bring a comment. Understand? So people say, why you can't put up for your birthday? I believe in that day, that be my day. Now I go do more happy pass. You understand? So now make kind they put up for that day. You not necessarily say I dey do party. Now no me, I don't do party. Say I can't go carry or use a money carry. I don't do that. I can't go they drink. I don't drink. I can't go club or carry friends. Cause they entertain friends. I know they do that one. Not using a money do that kind of thing. Una know me, I don't do that. I not go see using a money to do that kind of thing. You understand? Una know how they do it before. For those of you who they follow me before, and most of you now they support me before. Which na say man they call una name. Yes, no they call una name, but once that they pray for una, they really make sure half of una name. Because make those children use their mouth to call una name. Pray, put. I know people, since what they do, they say this they work for them. They know they miss them. One I do last year, I mistaken one guy. Till now the guy they verse for me. I not tell him he dey verse. Why I not tell him? Say in talk say no fit miss that thing. Cause say 2 times when you don't do one, he know the way things say open. So someone they want miss am. Igoni awa lu we beg enya. Awa fo. When I impress. Only that food they now they show see. You want what they do. So people they do call me, send, well done. Nobody they the one why they want me the people will see because in my day I need to be happy. My birthday day. I know how they do. Most of them they follow me for years. Even most of my people they write me say why I'm not able to do this. They show them again because of security reason, and I don't believe say it's not good. What you give to the poor, you understand? You know me. So that is why I become says I can't stop her. But they only the people where they for the group or rather people they support always okay. Make I choose only that birthday. Say they support me, they put her for that birthday. Say I feel they show down one comment. You understand? What I do, I will just put her for life. Enter anytime when the life end and then they end that you don't see the video. You understand? Let's say if you did life I post her say call the people no, I know they do that thing again. You understand? The thing what I do, it makes some of my people, my friends, my colleagues see start to the do them when they say they like them, they do them. Princess, I'm gonna do it. I love what you're doing. They started doing it and God see they bless them, they do them. I know they use that they go party, they will I know they do that kind of thing. If my money if carry for 100 before, but when I support go increase and reach 500, that is just it. Now it be. You understand? So I will see this medium later on. March 30th. You go for on Monday. Any support that you want to do for me, go do and at it on the 27 or 28. No, 27 should be okay. Maybe it's not to stress me. You understand? 27 should be okay. You want to support me, you inbox me. You see it. What you do, and there the thing go see end put, your money go see put for there. You understand? Now I go see which one. So that's why I see the matter. Oh, that's why I see the matter. Your husband they cheat on you. Okay, yourself now. They be cheat. We all know that. Pray. Naked and pray. Talk to God. God and their marriages. Oh, God and their marriages. If you pray, the one way want scatter your home, oh, where they, because some men they love all these married men. Some of them they love, oh, I love you, I like you, way. Can you like, can you love? Not those quick get free, they carry, they always people don't take it seriously. Not go they fight all this one. They are not there, so fish should you. Because you all go see test, you also they fight time. How many if you fight? The one when you say take serious, you will see no. They want almost they want shake your own hair. You understand? If you pray. Oh no, shall depend on your mind, though. Depend on your mind. I'm not sure say I've prayed deeply to that said gonna answer me. I swear to God, don't be joke. Oh. Naked, midnight, 12, 1 o'clock. Come on now. If it's 2 hours, I'm not even praying for my room. I'll come out for my compound. Look up, begin the kabbas, begin the pray. When you pray, you will know if you go see answer you because you will feel it in your body. There are some signs you will know. Your gospel, some kind things will go to happen when you are talking to God. You go know. Never see something. Never see. If you pray, your husband will see woman go to throw where. Not be joke. Oh, you go to throw where. You know, so sit for your head. You also sit for your head. Almost not too stingy like this. I can't go. When I'm in a good relationship, I don't want to lose my relationship to any bastard. Come relationship. Come on now. My monthly money, my guy no. Oh yeah, your own is on the 13. We will see what we can do. I trust you now, my boo-boo. See, and then we can mash babies. We're too fine. Not be joke. My hoe, we're too fine. We're too fine. With a love. You know now. So, you pray. When I was in a, I just did it. Now, like this spell in relationship. Now, you're like, just sow seeds. Some of us have been praying. That's a problem. Some of us not get strength to pray. Not get strength to pray. Some people not pray. That's why they pray. Do you know what is prayer? How this kind of small prayer? Posterior prayer. Engage with in a posterior prayer. Ha garabado sekerebodu. If you only 1 hour, just the kabash. God don't listen to you already. Just the kabash. Just the kabash. Don't forget matter. And tell you what do have your wa. Any year you don't boji. Don't forget. When I get money, they has say, me go, I'm at amigo yaze. We level ni. Just sow seed. Not be joke. Seed we just settle the matter. I'm not too stingy. My monthly money, I the alpha. My guy know I the alpha and the sow seed for my guy head. Or you go me if I forget. Someone why I forget? But the relationship was a wonderful relationship. The guy was so wonderful. I love him die. When some people say my ex, will your ex come back? Yes, so I love my ex die. My ex, you don't do it. You don't get what he do me. You don't lie. Those guys can hide down because he so love me. No one lose me. Now lay down. He want love ex, man. Wallah, he love you. Any relationship must know him. I love and die. My ex, my Jamira, he love you. Tina. I feel die. Not there. I love and die. Easy. So, just sow seed. Every year they say, no, they waste money. They also say the thing no go work out or it go fail. To see chop una money. I mean, now do I can say something? Now they say, no, this was some time. Every year, yo, that's why you carry one. Hey, say, some wicked one go and beg here. You are wicked. It is your big here. Until I be away. Wicked soul may not sleep with another woman. Now you circumcise her, fool. Because you manage your husband, you will fuck around that time. Before you manage, see one will put you for house. You see one way manage put you for house. Any woman. Torijo do bono ya gbe odafon ekia. Ogun ya gbe. Ya mwe bogbo mani. Isango ya gbo mani. Any woman. Who they go into doctor? Who they go odafon ekia? They make it now. You are wicked. You be evil woman. They're supposed to have you come off at those states. Now I'm going to kill you if anyone with that kind of thing. Go into the doctor place or whatsoever. Make the day, what's it called? Make the man. Oh, come on now. That is wickedness. Another man picking no. Don't be a part born now. Because I say God also can say now. Oh, why I when one road walk back away. You don't know say if they say make the God don't assign marriage. Some of you now hunger will kill you now. No, they respect man. No, for real. To God who made me. Me they don't say me na la o. You want me your boni age. You want me your boss. So God settle that grace on men. Not be joke. Oh. Some men are blessings. If they enter your life, things go change. Some men God to create them. Some men their papa to train them. You go manage jump the one way the papa not train. You feel say so all men be. No, some men really good though. Not be joke. Oh. Not be joke. Me way I hash. I don't jump as I do rich. I beg God bless some of us. Some men, no. Some are so really lovely. For real, eh? For real. No abunse oh. No zoa or bunse. But some men, when I mean men, you go imagine God and person born this one. Some men too good though. No. Some men they respect women. Some men are so lovely. Oh. Some men they know who's your not be joke. If they jam yeah one. I know they jam yeah one. Some men are really good. When I mean good, you see some kind of future for the man. Not be future of a front say you want reach because now on the past the future you want reach. No one suffer. What got the future bunny some features about met they lovely like ubege. So men they be too man any be so all we have more. So all argue. So they lovely, they caring. Ojoko. Gwa petty we. O me we fo. Obi amu go lay any right who of a lane. Me I not done that kind of person. God forbid. Show me character, I go show you double. I dey come. I will show you double. I don't know whether I don't feel bear this it again. No, I need to go on Jen. No, I don't the beer and say, I want to start now. I will carry the fuck off for some too. This it one can spoil my gist, eh? When I go just with 1 minute, may they talk I want to carry. Person wake me up now. Oh God. No, that's it. Behind my. Name man we why dey kun. Name man all dey kun. Because you dey kun no ma, you just end up say it behind ma. Yeah, no good. Some of una some men good. Some of una character kokos. If you show an ashawo character, you see treat you like ashawo na. Yes. So not good though. But I beg so some women know if not be that man, poverty will kill you. Poverty go for don't bury you. Some of you now, wig man don't really bless his life. Put better motto for your one meter you drive your children they go school. Put your picking for better school. They give you better monthly money. We are bebonya. Maybe my go you say water. Only way do amuta. Some of you not be man we don't buy on a car. Some of you now trek you go for kill you now. All those women, not be then you call it to say man no good. Man no good. You go buy you 8 million car, 6 million. What year? Era efie or ijo efie but 6 million there. Oh do do we no no bien. But so at the end of it that money na I say man, you don't drive that kind of car, even 3 million, you don't ever drive that for your life. They don't ever use that kind of motor to go drop it for school before. But man buy you that kind of thing. You call the man say, man no good, man no good, man no good. Come on now. They carry full small. Beer and since you understand? When beer and get gist. So I go just say man no go. I thought that rubbish again, no. I beg, I just want to do side chick. I want to take am easy, yeah. Now they ought to my wife for house. All those women now, they see do side chick. They call the form only now. I do my do body. Women, please. When I get that for my say, all men are cheats. If you have that mindset, you know what they ought for your home. Get them for mind. Eh? Oh man, no, see. And some men, any dirty one, any one, I be walk back. Me no married woman, we no say your husband get chick. Or yes, walk man, you are wow, a little different time. I take am easy now. Sickness day. All these girls we they see, different kind of infection. Infection. So not for they treat the assess, some go treat some, see come back again. I beg. Don't take am easy. If condom too safe, you see they cause something. All those common small. Look, they cause infection. I beg. I use some beg una. I beg. I want to check. Yes, so I'm gonna wait. So I want put fuel for Jen, I dey feel to say the consistency. I go on. Just don't carry me. No, wanna stay glue. They complain. The man too they cheat. Check yourself. Check yourself. Now papa and mama style they do for house. Papa and mama style. That tight chick they give them back. You know they give them. Some married men, they don't want to give their wife back style. And your wife, you don't want to give her hard style. You don't want to give her that kind of style. Okay, now side chick what they give. Abi? Now side chicken why would they give? What would they drink drugs for? Abi? Some women, please, if you don't want to give you papa and mama say they give you, talk. You know what papa and mama style? They are cheating, no, they are cheating. But they tell you, demand for back, demand for doggy. If you don't know the name, back style, doggy, leg up, everything. True. You give her away. Don't you give her like that. You just stiff whatever. See they want your waist. You hear me? They mourn, they feel honey, they do, how they do one. You don't marry, you don't spoil again. When they want marry that time, they follow 2 men. They want men who's on like you pass. You sabi fuck that time. You don't marry, they don't born 4 or 5 now. You don't relax. They do my papa and mama style. Papa and mama style. Your pussy now is dirty. Clean, not be only morning with a bath. When they waiting, you want to sleep before you bath. Before the evening reach, you don't wash your body how many times? Clean where? Clean. Don't wear tight, say. Why I tell wear tight in the morning? I don't put my tight for inside clothes because I go dey fit eat. Today's ass they wear tight, just eating what we are doing way. But so what we wear radio. Hey, you have a fashion. Why you take or fashion? Cause the eat. So kind things they cause eat, so cause infection. They cause infection. If you just say now eat the water that your private part, don't worry me. Beg every go eat. Obi fashion kere. It go to inch you. So if I'm going to drink happy clothes, now don't be the treatment. Treat yourself well. When go so treat egbe, get inch. Go they buy what they put for side body. What they call those insecticides something they put for side body. Maybe the infection that don't increase so and so meter or whatsoever. The what is put for side body can stop the inch, can't stop the infection. Go they buy happy clothes have been happy silly. If you resist them, if you not cure them, I not get sense. At the end of it now, the infection see their body. Now say, hey, me and my husband, I be suffering for so infection. Shut up your mouth. Now you go see come. If you treat your husband, say you and your husband, you get her or your husband whatsoever. When some guys go not say that if your husband, the man or the woman not saying get infection, she don't let her tell your husband saying get infection. Why? If you tell her say get infection, so local useless man go they say that infection, mumu, you be mumu. This is not to sleep with person get infection and let infection take come about alone. If you come in different ways, for that one toilet. My toilet is clean. Who told you your toilet is clean? Do you know what is a clean toilet? Because you wash toilet once a week, you are a fool. You clean toilet once a week, means your toilet is clean. You clean your toilet twice in a week, means your toilet is clean. You ain't enough for shit for how many hours? Not going to stand up for there. The thing with the evaporate enter alcohol. Just sit down. Your prick the face down. The woman open down. Tay. That's a tight way it's small. You see go around. The same eat. And we not gain all those kinds of way down no for your tight. You see wear them again. So go wear pants, wear tight, wear trousers, wear everything. Eat. The infection will start. The man, maybe the woman find that go to your husband say infection. Hey, you must say for what? The man they deny. No man, they fight your wife for us again. You know me say she go cheat. It can come through that way. Why they talk to different ways. I think they come. If she tell you not fight, not be who spoil they get infection. Come on, please. Malaria alcohol. Don't be waka, mosquito bites you, mumu. What about typhoid? Don't you yama water who they drink? Come on, bottle water. Let me drink bottle water. Pass. I don't tire. I mean sick pass for typhoid. People know me. Me don't tire. If we go there to call, we go cause you typhoid. What is typhoid? The treatment for typhoid now is antibiotics. If you have typhoid, now infection. Shut up. Because now antibiotics they treat them. If you even have typhoid, you should be happy because when they want to treat you, now the drugs, antibiotics, when they treat you, they even they cure infection. If they cure infection, you be a quarrel with your wife for us. So women go get infection now. Feel like they tell their husband for us. She don't notice her own. Feel like they tell your husband for us. Me, I still go treat herself well. The only one where they treat herself, but you sleep with the same man. If I go tell my guy, I go tell my husband. What you tell you? I so what? Oh, deny because you deny. Yeah, deny. They can't deny. I know they accuse who give person or give person. Bobo, let's go and treat ourselves. They know me now. Go and treat yourself. Feel like to something when I talk to my husband. If I go to the hospital. You go on. You don't let to talk to my husband. You treat yourself. The moment you're treating yourself, now 1 week they tell now, 5 days they tell now, 7 days they tell now. Man, not fuck. All your husband, bosses, tie pants. Change down. Not too stingy. Me and my husband will be suffering. I saw for Facebook now. I'll be suffering for infection. I look. I read some that kind of comments. I all this. Men no man egbe wa wo me e dey crime me no. They crime me no. Have any more progress? M1 here. Mo ya support ni yan. Ogi e lugan e ma. Omo no mi ya monitor me. Ya tie boyo. Then when I know or remove what a better woman. I'm 1 year. So, fear like I do that, Jerry can. Like money, claim no go when I know way. Ya reje. Go way nia. What about the phone? Wait. What's the money? See, I what's the money? What's he wearing? Oh, yes, yeah, what's he wearing? Must he try on a logo? You understand? And they have been suffering for so sickness. Your husband go change the bosses, all of them. He go change all. God, greediness, stinginess, poverty. Oh my God, change it. We know this one is not dirty. This one is a new one. I just bought it last week. And so you don't let it wear them. People when you have that infection, change them, go to away and burn them. Your pants, your this thing. That woman, all your tights. All your tights. Where you don't say don't wear without pants or your leggings or whatsoever. You go change all of them. No room, not keep one. You feel they buy things one by one, small. You go change her. Some of now that period when you and your husband they treat yourself, you go to sleep with your girlfriend for outside. Some useless men. So ask me, how that infection go take cure comot. La we saba in ya well, you come ma. Esi we ni na. Just tired. Why you disturb me? I tell you say all of disturb me. Why you disturb me again? This thing, if I'm not doing, nobody go see doing. Everything I mean they doing. Oh boy, yeah. So all those who are join the reason where the thing they reoccur. Even the period when they treat themselves, does see they have sex, both the husband and wife. You know go wait. May they treat themselves finish. After they treat themselves finish, they'll come go recheck themselves again. The way they see when the thought of it cure and reach, whether they finish. Then get the other one with the coffee put they'll give them say what does it take. But if they lucky, say that 7 days or whatsoever days it cure. You can start it and continue that cleanliness. You see, you clean, you don't cure that infection. You still they do what you see they do. Tight what you don't wear before. The first day call the you see wearer. Your level don't your semen don't enter the tight. You see wearer the next day. You sit down for a long time. 3 times in a week. This one hygienic something. This one are private parts. Not be by once a week toilet. Now you know say your toilet clean. It's not clean. My goodness, it's not clean. So on our toilet form slay mama queen so wife for us. On our toilet dirty toilets. Toilet dirty. Hey, what? Oh dear. Nice. Abeg, enter house. I want back this door. Abeg, come mosquito. I don't understand this kind of tafia matter. So. Enter house. I want back this door. I don't want mosquito bite me. Enter house. Abeg. Okay. Well, this one go let us talk today. So that's so it be. Okay, the tea don't reduce. Some of them not feel weight. Okay, better. I just got a beg now. Married woman, when I say use sense, I beg. Now go they fight small children for outside. I know it's painful. Now the man they cause him, not be the girl. You understand? Now go they do this kind to make small children not go they using and they sign for outside. Because what door is that's part of the now they never know. So everybody go see Pierre. Me doesn't prepare my mind towards her. For me, not to say my own no they carry. If they carry, so far me amuye, the disgrace of me amuye, the disgrace. What can I get up back? Like baby, is that the way I fed to my husband will call him, my guy will call him. No one time again. So anyway, this say boy. If na small picking we don't hear no dey as na come be the cost that woman. They come dey fight. Some of me you injure the girl, she injure you back. You want go pour her sick for waiting. He can't snatch your husband. Not be your husband to her. You pour her sick. Pour her sick, your husband, you can't see loser. You know? You circumcise your husband. That's not really make sense. I bet mostly they use sense for everything. And you just beg I did beg you now. Yeah, men, please. They use sense. More than they respect to my wife. Before I decide that woman I want later, but I'm saying I not see different women. Now decide that woman I want marry. At least she deserves respect. Whether she don't flex around, she don't follow. She don't follow you for not seeing meter. You understand? I beg. Those women when they cheat on their husband, and you go see your husband with another woman, you come they cry, and you know yourself they cheat on her. You better stop that rubbish. They cheat on your husband, and even those children when you born, not be your husband get her. And your husband will carry a woman, you will call the fight side chick. Now Guna will still kill you too. You where they flex, they cheat on your husband carry and you want to die. Children when you give your husband, you yourself know not be your husband get her. You see your husband with his wife, girl now, you want to die. I suffer with him. He suffer. Just like some of them for the Europe now carry their wife go road, go do a shower. They call it the money they build up their life. At the end of it, maybe the man will call the flex now. Oh wait, I come out we little mother for me suffer. If we move for that word, at the end of it by little suffer. They suffer little suffer. No sense. I don't get anyone follow suffer. Me not go suffer. So I make a very good for person say I follow you suffer. For that work it's a quick women. If they give you 100,000, they'll say they follow you suffer. I'm not gonna follow any man suffer. You go they moderate, me or they moderate. They crash our life they go. The God say bless us, the man still forget. I will try my best. May I become a good woman to his life and give her children. Be a good woman to his children. He don't really get money. Understand? They match the life. Because who get money now, if come back tomorrow. If you not manage anywhere. So as I already come in, I will try my best help her manage that money. Do things. Work out with her. You understand? So if you there at the end of it now, the man already get money. If I come maybe at the end of it, maybe not get this one, not get this one, not get this one. Like when I come, maybe don't forget 2 to 3 houses of one company. I can't get 8 companies or 10 companies. I can't say I suffer with her. when I was with him, he only have one company. And so where get company before, where poet, where you know the company no build joiner. I was just only opportune. I come in that period. Then the thing come build which 8 company. Then because I follow and suffer, don't have 8. Oh wait, let they progress before. Let they build up, let they climb here. I don't understand that second one that they use. I suffer with some. Why I know na bicycle they do. And so what? Man if you afford bicycle, or you don't get bicycle before, you can't get car. Or when I know and I like to the waka, and you know motor. All these women, when I stop that rubbish show, when I stop that rubbish show, when I stop her, matter on motor, il est l'un dans un motor, c'est un dans bro. And so if you not big there, if you not there, like the man not buy car before, the man must build house because he must get family. You be like the people who take con, when you not ready to settle down, you can't come. I hear I don't build the real ane. Man to the less of her. Or we zero the man or we are yes site, il less of her. You take on our time, I take on time those women, I take on time for those stuff. Before, you know progress. And then you got see I mega one so short up. All the person is so person for something. So that's what they say for road. Now once they marry, they go stop and make them do a shower again. And so now what think God create us for this type on do. Person must stop it for something. Person must talk to you, make you listen to progress. I suffer with some. I don't advise you now. Those are the form they sleep with woman, they talk any year. I don't advise you. I don't talk them. I've seen the repeater. You will just sleep with woman, they talk and they go. Careful, take your time. Not they spoil people. Not they spoil people home again. Oh. You don't marry your own. Leave and make the girl marry. Or you never marry. You want marry, you get a friend down. Or if you say the boy wants to sleep with and leave and make they talk anywhere again, you go bump the king. Stop it. Come and exist. Come and they walk. Stop it, please. Stop it. Married woman, they clean. Shave your private parts. That's what they cause it. If you do not clean for your private parts, if you wear tight. Bam. Shave them. They allow breeze, they enter. Just say fine, they blow me now. In the back here, find out the blow. For ideas, I wear clothes. I not wear tight to do. They find the blow one. When I see let breeze, they enter. I just go beg now. If you see use condom, finish. Instantly go and wash up. Condom see they cost them. You know, they feel they get inch. So condom they cost them. Don't use condom, you just relax. Sleep like that. No. Condom, go wash up. You understand? So that be the thing you wanna not know. See they cost them. So lubricants are not good. Those cheap something are not good because they cost them. Some guys body too they sensitive. Or they sensitive they those guys they cost them. Some of them now they allow guys they finger on with their finger. Now they allow that rubbish again. They allow no they say I roll this now. Maybe me a guy all day now we kiss for example. This time they finger me. For waiting now with the dirty hands, you know go wash hands. I will think they go be a parlor or I think they are since. Of course they did not carry down, don't they kiss now or a finger or one motto with the dirty they all stay with their own money. All those ones they cause infection. Yeah and dirty. You should come for your body. See my hands not dirty. Don't try it. You go wash your hands. You go wash your hands. Now they level the finger on now. So who are now we are now you are who we are. Finger you to another hand. Yeah, wait. I could say don't do that to me. I could say once you do it, please. If someone's in the middle of that, they for the vest. If you like baby Oshomole, make go wash your hands. If you get that infection, just now you don't already go. Finger you finish. You said that finger because you wear that finger with the dirty hand. Your semen don't already soak in dirty. As the finger you don't wet. That your wetness. Don't soak that dirty for your hand and the finger. Don't soak them. Or whoever or the whole way by many minutes. If first one starts, don't they start. You surprised that they get your body go they bite you small. For you to get to go for proper treatment, to drink Happy Claus. Can you imagine your life? If they resist all those kinds, not they cure them. If you see me one go for 5 or 7 meters something many times, if you reduce and reach 2, don't come out. Let me say don't come out. Don't come the finger on, I'm not going to bring the finger on again. Their hands are dead. Try it. Don't try it. There are many things. You not brush your mouth. Come put that in the team and for your pussy. Never see. Let's see go suck you. Your pussy go to inch you. That's dirty. And hungry. Then you go wash your mouth before you suck you. Those men when they suck, I just go beg you now. If you suck finish, you do oral sex finish, that mouth, that tongue stuff, what are they do? Go and brush. Sucking the cross mouth odor. I know what I'm talking about. If they do, you don't suck fish, but put this thing for the girl mouth. And then you'll sleep like that. Or maybe you know what, not be so, maybe not go for the morning or the afternoon. You suck finish. Now maybe later now come for that mouth they suck. The boy don't go brush oh. You know why Mario go eat see drink suck away suck. That means some of them get mouth cold. I'm telling you, not be joke. I know what I'm talking about. Please, after you finish sucking, please, if anywhere you did, go brush. Best one and brush the eye before you eat anything. No suck and not do anything. I beg. Rinse your mouth. Got that another day. Or mat wash. Put that for your car. Where you get go hotel or they carry the go guest house. A useless guest house. Sharp 1 hour. God. Your go. Who mat wash beside your motor? Mo baba mo la wa. This one will suck. They brush the door why mo brush na why o motor. O mo le no do kan we. So I want you to watch it. I want you to know about it. Brush your mouth. You go fresh your breath. You go refresh am. Na yeah. Even those guys wey dey suck. You suck finish. Go and brush your mouth. Some kisses. Some kiss. When they kiss after extending sweet. You kiss me, you push it from my mouth. I will slap you. I go slap you. The mad. Some spit. Sometimes you smell your lip. Your mouth will smell because of the person will kiss. Some girls will kiss finish. You know wash your mouth. My dear, not be all mouth will kiss you. You kiss finish. Go and bring all those things not there with you. Those mouthwash or whatever. Rinse and wear. Wash and with soap and wash and wear. Those okay kiss your kiss your mouth will smell. They smell because of the total way they suck. Now they wash their mouth. Suck, don't wash mouth. You can't be my friend. No, now, come on. Get the way I say D. So if you run now, you don't go this mouth. Run after you must brush. You got a finger on 13 hands, finger you, the 13 hand. So finger because they smell now. But they know some are dirty, and the guess where dirty, they call the smell now. Because they use either they smell your tutu. Let's say they smell your tutu. You get a fashion, the idiot boy. Fashion. They basically they want piece. If the piece, they are this thing they paint them, they want piece, they them money. Owaru wegbe, staphylococcus. Locus. They get them to the smell. Some of the poor smell for Ghana smell, pen go the smell. God forbid. Some guys are dirty. Some guys are dirty. Some guys are dirty. Clean. Once a while, in 3 months, 6 months, they go they do tests sometimes. There's nothing wrong to be clean. Person will not decide, but you no go know. You say I can't no go know. You not go know. una shut up. I not be woman, I not be woman now. That your oh for prick. Quickly see the contact, not personally woman. You don't know me, you know now. I be the truth of it, I tell you so. You should also check yourself. Never marry, you check yourself. You see, you also treat yourself. You see, you know the kind of show you take. You dey clean for inside. May I tell you, where you really finger some girls, where you will not say she get fashion. She feel not see smell, and she still get fashion. You finger her, you do some kind of things. Babe, guy, that babe get fashion. I know you break the finger, you get fashion too. You finger woman, you bring her come out. The thing go dey colorless. You be like say, you know when you put on for water, I go dey colorless. You go see your colorless. Cleanliness you want here. Remember you call the see white thing for hands. I talk which kind thing that one. No say she use see her maybe just finish or you want see her fighter. This all those kind of dey come out. You say so can ever come. Guy, my fashion be that one. Fashion. Let's go begging me. Let's go begging me. The guys must get her. Treat yourself. If you get sense now, you don't dey look me like you get sense now. That married couples just try. Say, honey, for this week, some come dey shame, some dey fear to talk and come out. There's nothing big. There's no big there. I don't feel I'm with fashion man. I'm with fashion man. It's with fashion. Everybody I want you know now. You dey fear. You know, come say, just I give you fashion. No carry woman. If you carry woman, use condom. Don't give me fashion. If I get time, you know now. If I get time, you were right. We say you know, money never dey. Money go dey. Don't pray that bad prayer. I go pray for all of you now. All of you now get money. Who want really support? You love me. You love me. I never come here like this. Come ask for money. You know, say you love me. You want to support me for my birthday. So you want to support me to entertain the orphanage or whatsoever. If you want to support me, please do. You can inbox me. March 30th is my birthday. If you don't get, God will provide. Anything is not, nothing is too big, nothing is too small. Understand? Everything I will. Please, yeah. I talked about this kind of thing before. If you actually want to, no problem. So, now be the thing. Couples now seriously try. See, just see, check on yourself. You already know. You must not wait. So women for husband as we know see they get infection. What they see for body. But no, they don't tell their husbands.